So I have been planning to go to a place since very long, but I didn't get the opportunity. So maybe today is the day. Let's try to find out if today is the day or not. So this is the place I was actually talking about in the video, and you want to see the view from here? Let me show you. So this is the popular bridge here, and everyone comes here to spend a good time. You can see what's going on. So I hope you like this place, and I'm gonna take some photos here, some just explore around what's interesting here, and we will see what nice images we can get from here. It's golden hour also, so we will have some nice and dope images, I hope. So let's just move into some next point. You won't believe the view, the sunset point where I am. Without any gossip or without telling you anything, let me just show you what I am currently seeing from here. Just see the view. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Comment down below what's your favorite sunset point in your city, in your town, and what are the best photos you have taken in that sunset point. So let me just take some cool and dope pictures if I can from here. And all the pictures I've taken, I will just put all the pictures, all the images at the end of the video, or maybe here. I don't know where I will put, but you will find anywhere in the video. So let's talk about something interesting today. So I recently completed 100 videos on my channel, but still I don't have 500 subs. Isn't that a little, weird for most people, not for me? Let me tell you why. I don't look for videos, I don't look for views or the number of videos I'm posting or the number of subs I'm getting from those. What really matters to me is the passion with which I'm making the videos, with my soul and with my efforts. So these things will never matter to me. I may complete 200 or maybe 300 videos on my channel and may not have even 1000 subs. But I know that one day there will be time when I will get a lot of views, a lot of subs. Let me tell you why I'm not getting that much subs or that much views. This is because here in India, the photography and filmmaking niche in YouTube is very small, and I make it even smaller by speaking in English, by making English content. So most of the viewers in India watch, in regional languages. Yeah, the big YouTubers like Peter McKinnon and Daniel Schiffer get a lot of views from India, but this is not the same case with small creators. The YouTube recommends all my videos to the viewers of India. That's because I am Indian and I am uploading videos from India. So this is why it will take a lot of time to actually reach many viewers from outside India so that they can also watch my content. So for now I don't care about how many subs I'm getting or how many views I'm getting. Though I've completed 100 videos, you won't see many channels with more than 100 videos but still don't have 500 subs on their channel. That's because the entertainment industry, the music industry is very growing. It's somewhat easy after a point of time to get 1000 and 2000 subs and a lot of views actually, because the niche is very very great and very big. But photography and filmmaking in India is not that big. But what I do is, with every video I analyze my videos, learn from it, learn my mistakes and try to work on it and make my video even better than the previous ones. Yeah, so a lot of talk about this, but I hope you liked my opinion or you liked my feelings, what I think after completing 100 videos on my channel but still not having 500 subs. It even sounds funny when I tell these things, but anyway, doesn't matter.